Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to HUC High Universal Cord. So today I want us to work on this haircut. This is back taper fade. So guys, please don't forget to share this video. Let other people to benefit from it. You know, my tutorials, my channel, my page, they are all theory and practical. Do you get? So if you see anywhere that I'm not doing very well, please correct me. We are all learners. So the first thing you need to do when you want to barb back taper fade is to brush down the hair to see how the hair texture is, to see how the hair grows. Do you understand? Now look at this hair very well. After you brush it down finish, the next thing you need to do is to join your blade together, bring it up, close it, turn your clipper on, create the first guideline, which is going to be skin. Raise it up like this first. This is how I normally do it. Not that you cannot do it like this, so but sometimes you have to watch your client's skin. Can you see this skin is very very soft? This thing that you are seeing here now like bumps, you know, maybe it's the person that cut it, maybe turn the clipper downward. That's just sometimes you have to study someone's skin. As it is now, what you need to do is to just raise it up. Do you understand? So that it will not cut in. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Make sure it's textured very well. Flow it accordingly. Sorry guys, let me take it back a bit. Follow it very well and brush it down. Then after you have removed it like this, then you turn your hand like this. You turn your hand, you spin it. Take your time. So after you have created the first guideline, the second thing you need to do is to create the second guideline, which is going to be your under low cut level. Open the blade, you create the second guideline. Follow it accordingly. If you don't texture it very well, you are going to miss out when you are blending it. Can you see what I'm doing? You see I'm doing it slow and steady. Take your time, don't rush it. Can you see how this hair is now? Can you see? Once you see hair like this, if you blend it up and the thing is not clean very well, turn your hand downward, you blend it down. Can you see? It will remove. So after you have created the second guideline, can you see that hair differs? Can you see that this one is very very hard? Upon the skin is very very soft, the head is very very hard. So you turn it like this, follow it accordingly. After that, the next guideline is going to be under what? Step 1. Can you see it? You put it, you close the clipper, you close it, you on it. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Follow it accordingly. After you have created the third guideline, which is under what? Step 1, you use your what? You use your step 1.5. You see I'm flipping it. Can you see it? Take your time. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see the way I'm flipping it? After you have gotten the shape, the next thing to do is to use your what? Step 1 again. Step 1. You put it, you open it. Can you see? After that, you turn your hand downward like this. You blend it. After this, you open your blade. Respect you. You see, I'm 3 minutes, right? You trim the hair. So this is it. So guys, this is it. Can you see it?